What's going on, everybody? This is Law with DIY Web Strategy Labs. Today's lab, we're going to be installing Git for Windows. Git is a subversion tool, and I have already been using it. As you can see, let me type in Git, and I already got Git Bash, Git GUI, Git Command, GitHub Desktop. GitHub is different, but yeah, of course, we're going to go through the steps to install Git for Windows. And the reason why I'm doing this is particularly for shell integration. So I'm going to put this into my downloads folder. Open. And now I'm going to go through the steps. Oh, yeah. Okay, so I already have Bash open. I need to close these terminals. Yeah, I had started this already, so I think I can install now. Yeah, okay. I had terminals open in VS Code. All right, so I already have this installed pretty much, so but we'll launch Git Bash. And it's really simple, basically. It's just a terminal. So basically, now you have Git on your Windows machine, and you also have a terminal. And that's it. So hope you guys enjoy watching this video. If you found this valuable, subscribe to the channel. There's more videos to come, learning how to use the web to create a successful working from home online career, being an entrepreneur, a solo entrepreneur, a solopreneur. This is for you guys. This channel is for you guys. So we're going to use tools like Git. You'll see why we're going to use Git in the future. But we're going to use tools like Git to achieve our goals. Technology is a wonderful thing. You can leverage it to do a lot of things. All right, guys. See you in the next video. Peace.